Hey, this is Gabby from Dabble Lab. In this lab, we'll walk through creating a GPT-3 powered knowledge base application using Node and JavaScript. To complete this lab, you'll need an OpenAI API key and an account on replit.com. First, go to github.com/dabblelab, then find the repository named GPT Answers-Node. On the repository's README page, click the Run on Replit button. This will copy the repository code to your replit.com account. After the code is finished copying to replit.com, click the padlock icon on the left side menu to create a new secret. Use the name OpenAI_API_key, and enter your API key for the value. Next, open the answers.js file in the routes directory, then add your own data to the documents array. With your API key in place, you'll be able to run the code by clicking the Run button in Replit. To test, enter a question into the text input, and click the Ask button. You should see an answer generated by GPT-3. Well, that's it for this video. If you have questions or comments, please post to the discussions on the GitHub repo. If this was helpful, please let us know by giving us a star on the GitHub repository page. Thanks so much for watching.